Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This channel it's none other than the Mumbwa Touch. Actually, I have another channel. It's Catherine Mumbwa, but I also based on this second channel whereby it will only be consisting of hairstyles, lifestyle as a freelance hairdresser, and what I do on a normal day is a freelance hairdresser based in Diane. So guys, on today's video, I'm gonna take you with me. As you can see, I have my client here and I'm gonna make her hair look so pretty. Can you guess what kind of hairstyle I'm gonna make? All right, don't worry. Stay tuned with me as you watch this hairstyle, how it's gonna be transformed later. So guys, for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly please subscribe. And for those who have subscribed to my channel already, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me, guys. As per now, if I can see, we almost heading to 300 subscribers, guys. Let's do this as we head to 1K subscribers, and I believe in you guys. I believe. Before I forget, thanks for the returning watchers. And for those new watchers, I also thank you for watching this video. So guys, let's begin. Okay, so on the beginning of this video, you saw that I was dividing my two sections of this hairstyle into two, whereby that means I'm gonna make braids on behind and front part of the section that I already divided will be the cornrows. Yeah, I already spilled it out. Oh my goodness. Okay, so on my first step, because I normally start with braid first, but other hairdressers begin with cornrows, then later with braid. But for me, I prefer braid first behind, then in front I go ahead with cornrows so that it can reduce the tension of the scalp from being painful. So as you can see, guys, on my first tape, I've already divided the small sections where I can start my braiding. Yeah. So on my braiding, I didn't braid normally. I braided knotless in a way that it can prevent it from like you see that a lot of tensions on the scalp, and also not to be bulky on the head. So I decided to do the knotless behind the braid. So guys, as I can remember on my last video whereby I did a tutorial of a knotless braid, guys, you saw the steps. So at this video I won't explain much. Yeah, I want to explain much on how to do knotless, but you can see according to my video how I add the braid into small pieces so that it can go on the same level and not to be like up and down. I hope you understand what I'm trying to mean. So guys, I repeated these like twice to thrice. Yeah, so that you can get on how I do my knotless braids. So guys, let's go, and I hope you get these full steps as I add my knotless braid step by step. done with braiding behind, and I didn't braid till the end because I'm gonna put curls. So you're gonna do cornrows step by step. And guys, I really can't explain much, but I can just tell you. You see how I move my hands, fingers, how I add the braids while I make my cornrows. But first, I normally begin with natural hair before I add any braid, just to prevent from hair cutting in front. Do they call? Hairline, right? Yeah. So I normally, whenever I do my cornrows, any kind of cornrows, any kind of hairstyle that's involve all does with cornrows, I normally start with natural hair first before adding braid. And if you're the hairdresser, any hairdresser out there who is watching, kindly, if you do cornrows, I would just advise you, just whenever you do a client's hair, especially cornrows, begin with her natural hair first, just to prevent from tension and also from hair cutting the hairline. I think that's the best method to use when making cornrows. Yeah. And also it makes cornrows to look more beautiful than when someone begins cornrows with the braiding, because there is that something like it feels it lifts up in front whereby it doesn't look so beautiful. So guys, let's go and kindly be keen and be a good student. So you've seen how I sectioned my neat hair to make the cornrow, and someone might ask, what have you applied? Of course, I've applied wax. So I use it whenever I want to make cornrows or braiding to make the hair look more neat. But in other way, not all clients prefer you make their hair using wax because of their sensitive scalp. So here I use when my client is comfortable using it. So that's why you can see I used it so that it can make our cornrows look so pretty, clean, neat, and more elegant. Yeah. So, guys, what can you say so far after you've watched this video till here? Drop your comment section below, and if you really want to get the full steps, like step by step, how to do cornrows, especially for the beginners, drop your comment below, and I'll plan for the next video for that, guys, because I always do more cornrows day by day. I'm done making cornrows, guys, and I hope you saw how it looks, but not final look of this transformation, guys. Now I'm making my curls so that I can dip in hot water to appear the way we want it to look like. Now, guys, here I'm using the string. In Swahili, it's Uzi. I don't know in proper English how it's named, but if you guys you know how Uzi it's named in English, kindly guys drop on the comment section. So I'm using Uzi to make my curls, but also you can prefer using the just normal braid, just a piece of normal braid to make the curls. But here I'm using, or you can use rollers, but it can appear different types of curls. But here I want it like to be bubble curl. Yep. So let's get to this transformation of how it will look like, and I hope that it will look so nice and you love it. Wow, this hairstyle looks so magnificent, neat. I like this transformation. The outcome of this hairstyle looks so cute and it's simple and into details. Guys, if you like this hairstyle, kindly drop your comment section below, and I would like to hear from you guys. What do you expect to see on the next video? What kind of hairstyle do you want to learn? Do you want to see how it will transform? Drop your comment section below. So guys, this is the end of this video. I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.